Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this very interesting steamy light bulb essential oil diffuser with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: 17 gauge copper wire, a light bulb, 17 gauge copper wire that is stripped, formed into a ring, a tea light candle, which will be the heat source of the light bulb, and this essential oil, which is rosemary oil. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, I'm going to take the light bulb and remove the insides. Carefully. And as you can see, everything inside the light bulb is emptied out. Next, I'm going to solder tin the copper ring. Just solder tin these two parts. Next, remove the insulation on these wire legs to expose the copper. Next, solder tin the copper that is on these wire legs. Next, I'm going to take the copper ring and place it over the light bulb. And then solder the two parts together. Next, solder tin 3 parts of the ring. And there we go, she'll look just like this. Next, solder the wire legs to the copper ring. And as you can see, all of the wire legs are now soldered to the copper ring, and it should look just like this. And I made some adjustments so it can stand up perfectly like this. Next, I'm going to take the candle and place it underneath the light bulb. Next, take some water and fill the light bulb up with water. Pour it in carefully. Next, take the essential oil and put a few drops of essential oil into the water. Next, take the tea candle and light up the tea candle. And now waiting for approximately 15 minutes, it is starting to boil, which means there is some steam coming out from the top. And there is rosemary smell coming out. There you have it. Now you know how to make your very own steamy light bulb essential oil diffuser with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.